Welcome to Dubai, one of the world's most captivating cities, known for its futuristic skyline, luxurious shopping, and incredible cultural landmarks. If you have an 8-hour layover in Dubai and are wondering how to make the most of your time, you're in for an adventure. Welcome to Sydtravella! Whether you're creating a Dubai vlog or simply soaking in the sights, this itinerary will help you efficiently navigate the city. From Dubai Airport, you can easily explore some of the city's most iconic landmarks. Let's dive into the ultimate plan for your Dubai layover. Many travelers get overwhelmed with figuring out how to use their layover time efficiently, unsure where to go or how to get there. Whether it's a fear of missing their flight or not making it back in time, the ticking clock can make the layover experience stressful. While Dubai Airport has many great restaurants, travelers might crave more of the authentic local flavors they've heard about. Getting to central Dubai quickly and easily is key, with time to spare for sightseeing. Travelers want to visit top landmarks and experience the grandeur of this luxurious city, even with limited time. Enjoying a memorable meal in Dubai is high on the list of priorities for most travelers. Navigating through unfamiliar roads and potential traffic jams can be daunting, especially with a limited window of time. First-time visitors may worry about navigating Dubai's sprawling cityscape efficiently. Whether it's slow transportation or unexpected queues at attractions, any delay could eat into valuable sightseeing time. But don't worry, with proper planning, you can have a stress-free, exciting adventure that maximizes your time. Once you clear customs and collect your bags, it's time to dive right into the action. On Google Maps, you'll see the Dubai Metro is your best option for a fast, efficient ride into the city. Head to Terminal 3 and hop on the red line. In just about 20 minutes, you'll arrive at the Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall Station, a perfect central spot to begin your Dubai exploration. As you ride the metro, take a moment to look around at the clean, modern interiors and the views of the city that start to unfold outside your window. The metro is known for its punctuality and affordability, making it a preferred choice for both tourists and locals alike. Time check! You've made it into the city with ease. Plenty of time to explore ahead. Kick off your layover with a visit to one of Dubai's most iconic attractions, the Burj Khalifa. On Google Maps, you'll see that the towering structure is just a short walk from the station. Spend around 45 minutes here, taking in the breathtaking views from the observation deck on the 124th or 148th floor. Enjoy the interactive screens that give you a glimpse of the city below. Once at the top, the expansive views are simply breathtaking. On a clear day, you can see all the way to the desert. This spot is a goldmine for stunning photography, making it perfect for your Dubai vlog. If you're feeling adventurous, consider indulging in the Sky High Cafe for a coffee while you take in the views. The atmosphere here is electric, with visitors from all over the world sharing the same sense of awe. Time check! You're just getting started, and the views alone are worth the trip. After soaking in the views at the Burj Khalifa, head over to the Dubai Mall, which is connected to the Burj Khalifa through a convenient walkway. On Google Maps, you'll see it's just a 10-minute walk away. Allocate about an hour to wander through the world's largest shopping center, where you can visit luxury boutiques, admire the indoor Dubai Aquarium, or even go ice skating. As you explore the mall, take a moment to appreciate its stunning architecture and design. You might also encounter the Dubai Fountain, the world's largest choreographed fountain system, which puts on a spectacular show every half hour. If you're hungry, there are countless dining options available, from fast food to high-end restaurants serving international cuisine. Make sure to take some photos for your travel vlog, showcasing the vibrant atmosphere and luxury of the Dubai Mall. Time check! You've already seen 2 of Dubai's top landmarks, but there's plenty more to come. From the glitzy modernity of the Dubai Mall, shift gears to experience a more traditional side of the city at Souk Madinat Jumeirah. On Google Maps, you'll see it's about a 15-minute taxi ride away. Arriving here, you'll be immersed in a picturesque market with Arabian architecture, waterways, and charming shops selling local crafts, spices, and souvenirs. Spend around 45 minutes here, wandering through the quaint stalls or sipping tea by the water. The ambience is magical, especially with the backdrop of the iconic Burj Al Arab. This is also a great spot to capture some unique travel vlog footage with a more authentic Dubai feel. You might even consider a short Abra ride through the waterways for an unforgettable experience. As you browse the shops, you might find unique items to take back home as a memento of your Dubai adventure. Time check! You're halfway through your layover and on track to see more of what Dubai has to offer. It's time to refuel. On Google Maps, you'll see that Jumeirah Beach is about a 5-minute drive from Souk Madinat. Head over to one of the beachfront restaurants and grab a leisurely lunch while soaking in the iconic view of the Burj Al Arab. While at the beach, you can savor traditional dishes like shawarma or hummus with lamb at local favorites such as Shimmers or Jumeirah Beach Hotel's Beachcombers. If you're looking for something quick, many cafes along the promenade offer delicious snacks and refreshing beverages. Spend about an hour enjoying your meal in the seaside atmosphere. It's the perfect balance of relaxation before continuing your journey. Take a moment to walk along the beach and feel the soft sand beneath your feet while capturing some stunning shots of the iconic hotel against the blue sky. Time check! You've had a taste of both Dubai's modern and traditional sides, and now you're ready to continue. Now it's time to visit one of Dubai's most ambitious creations, Palm Jumeirah. On Google Maps, you'll see it's a 20-minute drive from Jumeirah Beach. Spend about 45 minutes here exploring this impressive palm-shaped island. As you approach Palm Jumeirah, the view from the trunk is spectacular. You can stop at the Atlantis Hotel to check out the shops or take a few Instagram-worthy photos. If you have time, consider a quick visit to the Lost Chambers Aquarium, where you can see over 65,000 marine animals, including sharks and rays. You could also hop onto the Palm monorail for a scenic ride along the trunk of the palm, allowing you to admire the lavish villas and stunning views of the Arabian Gulf. Time check! The clock is ticking, but you're making the most of your layover. As your layover adventure nears its end, make your way to Dubai Marina for a sunset stroll. On Google Maps, you'll see it's about a 10-minute taxi ride from Palm Jumeirah. Spend about 45 minutes wandering along the Marina Walk, admiring the towering skyscrapers that line the waterfront. This area is vibrant with life, filled with cafes, shops, and entertainment options. You can grab a quick snack or drink at one of the cafes while soaking in the evening ambience. The reflections of the city lights on the water create a stunning backdrop, making it a prime location for relaxed shots for your Dubai vlog. If time permits, consider taking a dhow cruise, traditional boat, along the marina, offering a unique perspective of the skyline and the bustling atmosphere. Time check! You've seen a remarkable mix of what Dubai has to offer. 2 hours left on the clock, it's time to head back to Dubai Airport. On Google Maps, you'll see it's a 25 to 30-minute taxi ride from Dubai Marina, ensuring you arrive with plenty of time to pass through security and relax before your next flight. If you prefer public transport, the Dubai Metro Red Line will take you back to the airport in about 45 minutes from the nearby station. Use this time to reflect on the amazing experiences you've had during your Dubai layover, and maybe start piecing together highlights for your travel vlog. Before your next flight, make sure to check your passport, boarding pass, and gate information to ensure everything is in order. Don't forget to have your airline's app installed for any last-minute updates or gate changes. With your Dubai layover complete, you'll have unforgettable memories and fantastic content for your travel vlog. As you prepare to board your flight, take a moment to savor the memories of your whirlwind adventure in Dubai. From the stunning views at the Burj Khalifa to the tranquil ambience of Jumeirah Beach, you've captured the essence of this dynamic city, making the most of your Dubai layover. Remember, each journey is an opportunity for discovery, no matter how short the time. Safe travels, and always remember to turn every travel into an epic adventure.